Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share our experience, both positive and negative, for our stay at Moxy New York City, Lower East Side. We will cover the room tour, restaurants and bars, amenities, and the hotel collection benefits. Now let's dive in. There are multiple Moxy hotels in Manhattan. The one we're staying at here is at Lower East Side. Debuted on November 2022, it is a fairly new hotel. It is located just 8 minutes walk from Chinatown, and the hotel is located between two subway stations. We booked a king bed with partial city view for 2 nights through Amex THC for around $637.
10002. Oh, right here.
Oh, it's right there. Elevator is here. Room is right here.
I mean, we are in New York, so everything is small. So let's take a look. First impressions?
It can be smaller than Japan.
Oh.
It smells interesting. Oh. I've never seen a sink right.
Oh, we're like squeezing in there.
Wow. Oh, very small. Oh, it's like Japan. This is gonna be a interesting
Room tour?
room tour. Let's dive in. Let's dive in. Let's dive in.
Today we are here at Moxy Lower East Side. It is the smallest room review we're gonna do in the United States. Shall we start? First, that's really about it. Vinny actually booked a partial city view, and we got upgraded to the full city view. It doesn't really feel like it, but we can't really show right now. It's pretty dark. If you want to air out, you can open a window partially like this, but don't recommend it. It's very noisy out there. So moving on to the bed tour. 1 king bed, pretty firm, nice. There is a USB and USB-C with the regular outlets. And here's a little chair. With the chair, you get a little table. Ta-da! Like this. So you can work if needed. Since it's really limited space, there's no separate closet, but you can hang your clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe something 6. And you get a 50-inch TV. And here is the full mirror. And they do provide the luggage stand. This side of the bed, you have a remote. It's a smart TV. And the light switch, like that. And very cute rotary phone. Very cute. You get your reading lights here too, so you can control. By the entrance, there's a red sink you cannot miss when you walk in. For amenities, they do have a Fiji water, $5, but Vinny got it for free for 2 bottles of water. What's the reason? Marriott benefit?
Marriott Platinum status benefit.
On the sink, there is a soap, Muck Hair Care. Smells very good though. Down here, there is a hair dryer, Conair, and laundry request, towels, and steam iron. I prefer this than a flat one. And you wonder what this is. This is a walk-in shower. Ta-da! For the soap, they only have a conditioner and 2-in-1 body and hair wash. So if you don't like 2-in-1, you may want to bring your own. But they don't have a handheld shower, but they do have just a semi-waterfall.
Kind of smelly in there.
Yeah, it smells very strong. The soap, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like it. This side, is the Vinny's favorite room. Nice size. It's blocked with the shower, so while Vinny's doing his business, I can shower. Oh, but his smell may transfer you. Um, Lastly, there is AC control. You can do a heater, a AC here. Lowest go to 68, but winter time you may put on heater. The hotel actually have additional amenities like daily enhanced Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi speed was fast at around 180 download. Daily $30 food and beverage credit. So we are staying 2 nights, so we're getting $60. You cannot combine, you have to use it separately. And daily $30 laundry credit, dry cleaning credit. Oh, so we can request the laundry. Daily gym 24/7. Daily city bike pass, so you can rent a bicycle with the helmet and it's $25 credit. And you get waived $15 cover charge at Silver Lining Lounge. Just a bar.
Silver Lining Lounge.
Oh, and lastly, this is a mysterious envelope. Vinny booked this for the hotel collection. So we'll go over this at the end of the chapter, talk about what kind of benefits we got and how we used it. So stay tuned for that. That's all for the room tour, and we'll see you in the next chapter. 하지마. 배고파. Let's go eat. So we didn't know where to put a luggage.
We found the spots. And then the safe is here.
Oh. Ta-da! Some people may not even know this.
Yeah. If they don't pay attention.
Yeah. Would it go in?
This one, yeah.
Oh, barely going in.
It's protruding out. Better than nothing, I guess.
Yeah, I guess.
So the gym is at the SC level down here. You can get your water, ice maybe, and
Printer.
printer.
And vending machine. Deodorant. What is that? Shaver? Oh, lubricant?
That's a butt plug. That's for you to put it in your...
Me?
That's for you, the viewers. I'll put it into
Oh.
interest. This is the naughty vending machine. Anyway, gym tour.
We came for a gym tour and then. Welcome to our gym tour. This is a gym, pretty small. We can start from here. Anybody.
Yes, anybody can use this.
It's very cool. They do have a restroom and you can take a shower here. So maybe if your room is not ready, you can come here to refresh. If they give you a room key.
Of course, your toilet.
Yeah.
You got your wipes here.
And they have all the techno gym equipment,
Treadmills.
cardio machines.
They have punching bags,
Oh,
punching gloves.
it looks pretty beat up. I think a lot of people used it.
Kettlebells.
Oh, this one looks cool too.
Yeah,
Machine.
this is nice.
I think if you do pull, you're gonna hit your head though.
Yeah. For
Very
pull-ups,
closely.
it's not gonna work because the ceiling is low.
Yeah. And another techno gym for your upper body workout.
This one you can do almost everything.
Oh, okay.
There's
don't know.
Peloton as well if you need a Peloton.
The lonely Peloton. So if your couple is working out on you guys have to fight. Oh, looks like a better water.
This
than
might
the
be
outside.
the filtered one.
Yeah.
And your towels here.
Towel.
Dumbbells.
Dumbbell, the highest weight is 45 pounds.
No, 50 pounds.
Oh, is it? Oh. Why is that there? Usually it's in the bottom.
They did not organize. Oh, there's a scale.
I won't go on top of it. But that's all the fitness tour we have. There are a total of 5 restaurants and bars. The Fix, Silver Lining, and Sake No Hana are within the property. Whereas the highlight room is at the rooftop and Lucy's is outside on the side of the building. We only visited the Fix breakfast and Sake No Hana for some late night drinks and snacks. So if you stay in Moxy, they do offer a complimentary grab and go breakfast. So let's check out what they offer. Bear hula hoop. So they have coffee, some muffins, yogurt,
juices and water. Banana and apple. Very expensive. This is $8.25 and this is $8. Matcha $7 something. Macchiato $5.50 I think. Very expensive, but with the credit, it's not that bad. I can't believe this is $8. I would never buy this. Looking at this, how can this be $8?
Egg is expensive now. That's not bad. Basic.
Very well.
Oh, good.
Wow.
If you're here, just get the ham and cheese croissant. Cheers. This bar is busy.
Yeah,
Or
very
restaurant,
busy.
more like a restaurant. It's very busy.
We have $130, $20 your meal set.
It was $20.
And my drink is $20. We still have $90 left.
Is it a game for you?
Yeah. I assume you're gonna order one more drink.
Oh, I might have to order 2 more drinks.
Yeah. The chopstick is fancy.
Yeah.
I expect to be fancy because their sushi is very expensive.
Yeah. Your chicken's so cute, so tiny.
They
Oh,
have some kind of happy hour and drink and appetizer and
and then maybe mini entree.
yeah, it's $20. Pretty good.
Pretty good price.
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah, really good.
Salty a little bit. The texture is so good how they fry it.
Yeah, very crunchy.
Salty for sure. A lot of soy sauce.
Sandwich on a skewer.
It's very cool.
Yeah. I don't know. How do you eat this?
You have to take it out.
Oh, take it out. Cheers.
Cheers.
Interesting.
Their food in general is salty.
Yeah.
Salty but tastes good.
Yes.
But this one is super salty.
A bit salty.
I can't really complain much is because this is a happy hour menu.
Yeah.
And everything, the 3 order we get is $20.
Pretty good price for a bar menu.
So I already feel dizzy.
That's very light.
I don't know.
You're lightweight.
I'm a cheap date. You're welcome.
The hotel is paying for this. I'm not paying for this. Ultimate cheap date. Bring you to a hotel that the hotel pays for you.
We're touchy.
We spent our 130.
Yeah, little over.
Now we're gonna shower and sleep. Enjoy the night. Go on the phone. Watch Instagram. Reels.
That's our,
That's our
Love.
nightly routine.
yeah.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Going over the hotel collection for Lower East Side Moxy in New York. 12 p.m. check-in when available. We check in 8 p.m. so we can't really tell you. Late checkout up to 4 p.m. when available. Oh, it's not guaranteed. Like FHR is guaranteed, but the hotel collection when available. Interesting. Room upgrade upon arrival when available. So Vinny booked this room partial city view, but I guess it is. $100 credit, a complimentary credit value at $100 to use towards eligible charges, which may include food and beverage, spa, or other non-property charges. Please note this credit cannot be applied to your room nights, fee, taxes, and any gratuity. The experience credit may be applied to food and beverage from the Fix Sake No Hana and Silver Lining. So yeah, this one we actually use it at the Sake No Hana and we maximize the credit. Always make sure when these kind of $100 property credit is given, make sure with them, is it gratuity, taxes, excluded or included? Because it depends on the hotel. Some place actually includes it, so you don't have to spend $100. You can actually spend less and also charges for taxes and gratuity. So it depends on the hotel. So that's just one of the tips we want to share with you. We actually maximize all the hotel collection benefits. That's good. In addition to it, they do have a daily $30 food and beverage credit. So we actually used additional $30 at the Sake No Hana last night to spend $130. So that was like really nice touch because that restaurant is very expensive. Food is pretty decent. It's a little bit good and there's a little salty and stuff going on, but food is pretty good. But for the price, I don't think I will be paying it without this credit, honestly. And they did have a daily $30 laundry credit, so I actually used to wash my blouse. So that was a really nice touch as well. So that's all we used for the Moxy and the Hotel Collection benefits. So let us know if you have any questions, if this kind of video is helpful. This is our new little corner, trying to talk about what did we like, what we did not like about property.
What did we like about the property?
I think the location was good. The shower water pressure was very good.
Yeah.
And the temperature, hot water was very hot. I love it.
Yeah. I guess if you love breakfast, then you would not like this property because they don't have a breakfast restaurant.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, they just have a cafe that you can get your pastries and coffee or drinks or whatever. Restaurant options, I guess if you like to drink, this is pretty good.
Yeah, they have a lot of options. We just chose to go only one place.
Yeah, so I think it's more catered towards those who like to kind of chill and drink and party with friends, kind of a vibe for this hotel. But we still enjoyed it. And
Yeah.
it was nice. Sleeping?
Sleeping, yeah, the bed is not the best, but I slept in. Okay.
Yeah, me too. I slept good. It's not noisy.
Yeah, it was pretty quieter than I thought. I was a little worried about it's gonna be very noisy here because everything is very compact.
Yeah, like
Wall to wall.
yeah, and the rooms are very close to each other. All the doors are like right in front of each other. The window soundproofing is good too because you
Yeah.
know you can hear the sirens and all that, but or honking. We didn't really hear much.
Yeah, the window sill, the ceiling helps, and this curtain helps a lot.
Oh yeah,
That's why.
curtain sound. But what's funny is I don't know if this is normal in New York, but watch. Look at all these dew that's being created because temperature difference from outside and inside of the room. It's like wet. I don't know if this is normal in other New York hotels, but for us here, it doesn't smell moldy. At least it doesn't, you know, like get that yucky wet smell.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think that's about it.
Hope this video was helpful for you, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.
So we just checked out, and the lady that checked us out, she's like, "Are you good?" And then I asked, "Can I ask for the folio?" Printing. Here you go. Like, at least say thank you or have a nice day or I hope you had a nice something. Like, that was very bad.
Yeah, I've been seeing the front lobby. The one of the workers are very nice, but the other one is just like
Yeah.
I'm done with you guys.
The first time we checked in, and then the next day, the workers here and the doormen were all very nice, friendly. But then the last final day, today, Sunday, everyone is just moody and they don't care. It's like, interesting.
Yeah.
But yeah, oh well, what to do.